Okay, guys, we've been running the ES for quite a while. As you know, remember that the ES is a very slow market. It's not like the Nasdaq. So getting to a target it takes more time. Okay, so right now it's trading up and down with a 212 target. Okay, so it's well, it's $2,000 right now. But like I said before, don't pay attention to the amount of contracts. Okay, this signal is your foundation to whatever strategy you want to build. These vertical lines, they are the foundation to whatever you want to build. Okay, so this is gonna be a life changing strategy. Okay, to the person who purchases. Okay, so I will be limiting the amount of people that's gonna buy this software. Okay, so I'm not gonna be selling it, back and forth, because it's a very secretive formula, and it's not gonna be and cannot be running around. So just to a little bit of group of people. Okay, so what I will say, guys, limit your profits. Okay, respect the trading hours. Okay, so for example, right now the market is bouncing up the ATR. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit of you need to use your common sense. Okay, you see it's bouncing and making it's pushing. Okay, so you say, okay, we got volatility, but there's times where the market is just doing anything and you expect the strategy to work. No, it doesn't work that way, guys. It doesn't. This is not artificial intelligence. Okay, it's a software that has many conditions. Okay, so the conditions work in your favor. What would you do to enter long? What would you do to enter short? Okay, why we abandon the Unirencos? Because the Unirencos, they work in small chunks. So we need the whole data of the 1 minute bar, to know where the market is heading. Okay, so that's why we cannot get a bigger profits, because we are scalping the market. Okay, we cannot go bigger or a swing. No, it's not possible. We get small scalps, okay, with a low targets, and we add up. Okay, so like I always been speaking to all my customers, a $200 to $500 profit target is achievable. Okay, but beyond that is I cannot help you guys. It's a lot of money, and markets change a lot. Remember Nasdaq, how it refreshes per bar. So the sweeping of the book in the Nasdaq is very difficult to find the sweet spot where you say, okay, now it's not refreshing that much, I can trade. And the SP 500, it's got that. It doesn't refresh that much. The thing is that it's stagnant. It doesn't move that much. That's the problem with the ES. But you can get your profit, okay, or maybe you can copy many accounts. You need to get a better computer, get a better CPU, get more memory, okay, and invest in yourself. Okay, invest. Okay, get a Guardian Angel Trader. You need to buy all this stuff, guy, because it's part of the game. You manually is very difficult to trade. It's very difficult to get how do you say that? It's very difficult to get a detailed information of the account. Okay, so you say, for example, I'm gonna lose 500 today. I'm not gonna trade anymore. Okay, so well, you lose it. That's part of the business. Markets, nobody has a crystal ball, and if I had a software that wins 100% of the time, I would not sell it. I would exploit it. Okay, so the software works well, but you need to pay attention to what you're doing. You need to enable it. Okay, maybe you don't want to trade continuously. You put it on semi-automatic. Okay, you put it on semi-automatic. You do one trade, and let's wait for another trade. Or maybe you trade one long and one short. Okay, so it's what it is. So as you can see, it's working very well. It's got, made $200 right now. It's working. We're in power hour. Power hour is where the institutionals go to work. Okay, they avoid all that mumbo jumbo from the morning to the afternoon. You just get chopped with the algos. The algos really, 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 really put people into the wall, and it's very complicated. That's why I tell you guys, if you win some money, you win and you stop trading. Okay, so it's better to have a little bit of cash in your pocket, than trying to beat the market, which is impossible. I have never seen anybody beating the market. It's algo driven, and the people behind the computers, there's not even people, it's algorithms. They know a lot of information that we don't know. Okay, so it's very complicated. Okay, guys, so with further ado, there's the video. Okay, I will stop trading now. It's more than enough, the 2400. And well, thanks for watching, guys.
Took it off, $620 win, 62 tick win, twice what we lost in the gold trade this morning. So overall, a win. 30-minute. So we're looking at gold. It has been continuing to put in higher highs. We had an all-time high. We had an all-time high that was in the overnight session.